Are you struggling to write a strong SOP? Are you running behind the counselors or editors to create a strong SOP for you? No more now. Hello everyone, this is Shubhangi Tiwari from Smart Step Classes, and this video is going to be dedicated to all the candidates, those who are looking forward to have a strong SOP. And after watching this video till end, you need not to run to any of the counselors to write your own SOP, because you will be able to master yourself in the same. So talking about what is an SOP. So guys, SOP is basically the statement of purpose. So in US we call it SA, in UK we call it SOP. However, the SOP stands for statement of purpose. So in this document, you have to actually state the purpose of your visit to particular country and university, right? However, if I talk about the very basic informations which are supposed to be mentioned whenever you are writing an SOP, so in this video, in the later part of this video, we are going to discuss the same. However, first understand that what is an SOP and why it is important. So guys, SOP basically a document which is attached with your profiling whenever you are punching the applications to the university, and after meeting the eligibility criteria, right? Let's suppose the criteria of academics, criteria of IELTS is all you are meeting up. Let's suppose there are 20 applications meeting the same criteria. However, the absorption can only happen to 10. So the last and the final decisive factor is going to be your SOP only. So SOP is not just a document wherein you can cut, copy, paste. Plagiarism works a lot. Do not take the help of the Google for writing your own SOP, because after watching this video, you will be knowing absolutely that how to create your own SOP. So talking about the 5 important elements to be added whenever we are talking about the SOP. So the first paragraph, first question that you need to answer is, you have to talk about a small of your introduction. Now, when I talk about the introduction, needless to mention your family background or something. No. Let's suppose whatever program you intend to apply into that university, relate your introduction with the same. Ideally, the introduction should include your academics and your extracurricular activities that you were engaged in while studying in the college or school. So first paragraph is going to be precisely your introduction. Now the second paragraph talks about that why would you like to study this particular program that you intend to apply for. Let's suppose if you are applying for computer science, how can you prove or how can you relate that after doing this program in computer science, you will be able to give a right curve to your career, right? So write it with a very diligent way, stating that you had that intent to since childhood you have been diving into the computer science a lot. You were having a lot of interest in the data science, artificial intelligence, robotics, so that this paragraph is going to give a convincing element to the assessor that this candidate is fit to study the computer science. The third important element comes in, that why, what all would you be able to do if you pursue this program. So what are your future aspects, how you look yourself after 5 years from now. So do you look working into some. Now in this, do not mention anything other than your employability. Add about associating with the employers, add about you would like to work in a particular organization, to which position. Talk about your future line, career lines, and future aspect after completing this program. The next question or the next point comes in, that why this particular university. So if I talk about the CS, for an instance, if I'm taking the example of CS, will I be able to will I be able to get the best program available in the particular university that I intend to apply for? Certainly yes, right? So talk about a little researches about the particular university, because that particular program has been available and provided to you from other numerous universities as well. Why particular this university, right? So it is important to mention some key elements, some strong insights, some strong information about the university that you intend to apply, right? Last but not the least, you are going to mention that why this country, why you intend to study the program specifically in USA. So if I talk about the STEM programs in US, then definitely if I talk about the science and technology, the US has the number one availabilities in terms of education, in terms of employment. So science and tech, the particular country is leading in the globe. So to have a global exposure, you would like to pursue the program into US, right? So it is important that you mention all these 5 points very specifically: your introduction, your program intended, your future aspect with the program, why this university, and why this country. And trust you me, if you will mention these things in a systematic and elaborative way with the pointers mentioned in this video, there's nothing which is going to have a shortfall in your SOP, and you will be able to get your profile outshine the other. So if you need more details, more updates, please visit our website www.smartstepclasses.com. Else you can connect with us at 9711418204.